This is how I got 1000 subscribers in just 7 days. Watch closely because this video is not just about hitting 1000 subscribers. Your next video could be the one that will blow up your channel, but all this potential can be lost if you skip this video. After spending 3 months experimenting and researching what works the best, I finally cracked the code using only 3 simple formulas. On average, according to YouTube, on average, every 100 views is equals to 4 subscribers. That means 1000 subscribers is equals to 25,000 views. So your aim will be to get 25,000 views. But here is the twist. It is possible for you to get 25,000 views, but still you will not get your 1000 subscribers if your video lacks value and it has low retention. People will not have the need to subscribe to your channel. The first step is the most important but often the most overlooked. You can have the most perfect video in the world, the most beautiful video in the world, but if no one clicks on it, no one will watch it. That is why step 1 is setting up your title and your thumbnail. So step 1 is to set up your title. Your audience sees your title and your thumbnail before they decide to click and watch the video. Your title determines 50% of the success rate of every video you upload on YouTube. You need to give your title and your thumbnail 50 to 60% of the entire video creation process. Yes, that is because you can upload a video on YouTube and no one decides to click on it. So your title and your thumbnail should be a priority and should have 50% of the entire video creation process. So how can we achieve this? This is what not to do. Ignore high competition titles. High competition titles are titles that many creators are making content on and they are ranked by successful YouTubers. The reason why you need to do this is because you cannot compete with successful YouTubers. If you go to YouTube and you type in how to cook a healthy meal, VidIQ will show you the score of this particular title, telling you it is a high competition title. So what should we now do? So there are 3 ways to find a viral title. Every creator has an outlier video, okay? An outlier video is a video that has performed 100 times better on a particular creator's channel when compared to their other videos. So if I have 16 videos on my channel, my outlier video is the video that has performed 100 times better than my other videos. And how will I know this? How can you easily identify this? Using VidIQ. I highly recommend VidIQ. The link is in my description if you want to sign up with them. To save your life in this your content creation journey. If you're not using VidIQ and you're a YouTuber, you are sleeping on it. So link is in my description. Click on it and sign up now. And while we are talking about clicking on things, why don't you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this? So as I was saying, an outlier video is a video that has performed 100 times better in my channel or in your channel. This is what you need to do. So if I go to YouTube and I type in example, how to make money online. So this is an outlier video for this creator. This creator has 67,000 subscribers. So how do you now find an outlier video specific for your niche? If you log into the VidIQ platform, go to the outlier section, click on it. VidIQ has your data, so it knows your niche. This is an outlier video for this creator with over 200,000 subscribers. Just ignore it, don't copy it, okay? What you are going to look out for is an outlier videos for small YouTubers like me. and you. So we continue to scroll down. This is an outline video for this particular creator, and this creator has only 2.6 thousand subscribers. So there is a high possibility that if this video did very well for this particular creator, it will also do well for you. So what you need to do is click here, open the video on YouTube and see what is in the video, and you have to save this video in a playlist. As you can title the playlist 1000 subscribers, okay? And these videos are getting 21,000 views, 54,000 views. Is a very good topic. And another thing I need you to look out for is the time that the video was posted. So this video was posted 7 months ago, okay? Was posted 7 months ago, which is good. But this video was posted 4 years ago. You should go for topics or titles that are not more than a year. That is what I will advise you to do. This is just one method in finding a very good title for your next YouTube project or for your next YouTube video. If you don't have the VidIQ extension, the second way you can get your viral titles is by copying small YouTubers' viral videos. So if you see a YouTuber with less than 5k subscribers or less than 10k subscribers, and you see a particular video is doing well for that person, or maybe the video came to your browse feature, if you see such videos on your page, don't copy the exact title, just copy something almost similar to that title and recreate it. Now, we are done with the first step. The second step is your thumbnail. Like I mentioned before, you have to think like your audience and not like you. So, two things that people see before they actually see your video is your title and your thumbnail. To get straight to the point, I have listed some things you have to include in your thumbnail for people to click and watch it. These are the things you should consider when designing your thumbnail. The first one is your thumbnail should never repeat your title, but it should add to it. So many people, when they design their thumbnail, they'll write how to get 1000 subscribers or how to get 4000 watch hours, and they'll go to their thumbnail and they add how to get 4000 watch hours or how to get 1000 subscribers. So instead of saying how to get 4000 watch hours, say in your thumbnail, this is all it takes. Watch this. They are called additives. The second point is to make your thumbnail to stand out. If you are swiping on YouTube and all the thumbnails are black with dark colors, make your thumbnail bright colored. Do not repeat what people are doing. So the third point I have is your audience should understand your thumbnail in 3 seconds. Yes, because people are swiping, like they just swipe. There are so many options to choose from. If I don't understand your thumbnail in 3 seconds, use yourself to judge this. If people don't understand your thumbnail in 3 seconds or less, they will swipe away. Yes. So make your thumbnail to be very understandable. Even a child or a young adult should be able to understand your thumbnail in 3 seconds or less. So when you design your thumbnail, get your phone and show it to a child and ask the child, what does he or she understand? Just flash it on the child and and flash it for 3 seconds on the child and ask the child, what do you understand? If the child starts to ramble or say, I don't understand anything, that means your thumbnail is not good. So another thing you need to know is that your thumbnail should create a curiosity. So if I say how to get 1000 subscribers, and in my thumbnail I only say this is all it takes, this is all it takes is the curiosity. People will wonder, what is that? What is it? The last thing you need to know when designing your thumbnail is adding contrast using color value. So what I mean is that you should combine black and white and not black and brown. You should combine red and green and not green and blue. This is another topic. This is a topic for another video. So choose your colors right and combine them perfectly. So now you have successfully gotten many people to click on your video. Congratulations. Let's move over to the next step. The next step, which is the third step and the last step, is to get people to watch your video and to have that satisfaction for them to subscribe. If you are a beginner, I will advise you to have a mentor. I'll advise you to have 2 to 3 YouTube content creators that will be like a role model to you. Watch their videos and recreate their content. When you're speaking to a camera, be yourself. Show your personality. So what I will advise you is don't ramble. Go straight to the point. If you're having challenges making your video, I always follow these 3 steps: intro, problem, solution, and outro. Your intro should be as short as possible. I do not know your niche, so I cannot teach you specifically how to make your videos. So my third step is actually making your videos, and my advice is for you to have 2 to 3 role models, copy them while showing your personality. Okay? And if you're struggling, follow this pattern: intro, problem, solution, and outro. So I wish you all the best, okay? And I hope you get your 1000 subscribers soon. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let me know when you get your 1000 subscribers. See you in my next video. Bye.